How to trade on Binance on PC. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, from here, as you can see from this top bar, now go to trade. Now, as you can see, you have different options to trade. Now, I will show you just the margin and P2P because this is a lot of options and I will explain it in the upcoming videos. Now, first of all, make sure to go to margin. And from here, as you can see, there is a lot of information. Don't panic, don't distract. As you can see here, this is the chart. Now, what you want to make or to focus on is this. As you can see, now select here the crypto that you want to buy or to sell, and select the coin that you want to receive. Now from here, as you can see, there is a lot of options. From here, as you can see, the market trade, and this is your trade, as you can see here. Now from here you can see the chart and that show you when to buy and when to sell. And from here, as you can see, this is what we want. Now if you want like to buy, choose market, and now from here, as you can see, you can enter how much of your USDT or the crypto that you want to buy, and now click on buy. Now if you want to sell, it's the same. Just go here and enter how much you want to sell, and as you can see, click on sell the crypto that you want to sell. So you have two options, even to buy or to sell that coin or that crypto that you want. So as you can see, there is a lot of different options from here, as you can see, and this is the market, how it's going. And as I said before, this is the coins that you have here, and this is pretty much of it. And as you can see, this is all. So if you want to expand this chart to be able to see it correctly, from here you will search for crypto that you want to trade. For example, you want Bitcoin. As you can see, you have Bitcoin to USDT, you have Bitcoin to different other cryptos. If you want like this crypto PayPath, and this is what available here. Even you can trade it with USDT, FUSD. If you select it, this chart it will be updated because you select a different crypto. And as you can see, you can now minimize it and go and scroll down until you find this. Now here you can even buy or sell this coin. So this is how to trade on Binance on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.